Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make your sketchbook chunky. You can easily start by adding extra pages, either by gluing them in or using strong tape. Don't be afraid to incorporate different materials like fabric scraps or interesting, found objects directly onto your pages. Layering your artwork with thick mediums, such as acrylic paint or modeling paste, and adding collage elements will also quickly build up volume. To further enhance the chunkiness, consider applying gesso or modeling paste to create significant surface texture. This adds both visual and physical depth. Don't hesitate to attach three-dimensional items directly to your pages, like small beads, buttons, or other trinkets. You can also create small pockets or envelopes within your sketchbook to store additional ephemera, adding hidden layers of interest and bulk. As your sketchbook grows, reinforcing the spine is crucial to prevent damage. Use strong bookbinding tape or a sturdy piece of fabric to give it extra support. If you're feeling adventurous, a Coptic stitch binding allows for significant expansion and lays flat, which is perfect for a chunky book. Always remember to let your pages dry completely after adding any wet media to avoid sticking or warping. Finally, embrace the unique, tactile experience of your chunky sketchbook. It's more than just a collection of drawings. It's a three-dimensional record of your creative journey, filled with memories and textures. Let it become a visual journal that you can physically explore and feel. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you inspired and hydrated while you create.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.